Yo yo, it's your boy Paul. Welcome back to Watch Some Bling. Sorry about my voice, you know it is a bit croaky, all it is anyway. So, sorry it's been a while. I know I've been a bit busy doing what I do. But today I've got some little star, 3 carrots sent to me from Sing Song Jewelry, Chingy Jongy, China. So, thank you China. Obviously someone likes what I'm doing. So, they've sent me a 2 carat, drip drip drip, yellow canary, white canary, no, white VVS, diamonds pendant. How's that? See that? So let's try and get in there a bit. Sorry about the wobbliness. So let's zoom in. Camera's a bit wobbly today. There you go. So as you can see, we've got VVS's on the outside, and then in the middle right there, if you can see, I think you can see anyway, we've got some yellow canaries, like a thin line, just like ba-dum, ba-dum, ba-dum. 2 carrots. It's from a company called Ice Jewels from China. So if you're ever in China, pop in. It's got your basic stamp there. It's got another one there, another one there. But yeah, so let's zoom out. The star, this star. You know about the star? Oh, whoa now. Sorry. It's my camera. It's tightening up. So there you go. We've got the star. 2 carrots. Yellow canary. White canary. Thanks for all the comments on the last Rolex video. I can't remember, I've done so many videos lately, but yeah. So this one, you've got beautiful diamond pendant, 2 carrots. Well, let me just check again, make sure it's 2 carrots. Yeah, 2 carats star pendant. Nice little thing for Valentine's for your girl or something. I was actually meant to post this the other day and do it the other day, but you know, it's just timing. But yeah, I've been noticing I've been getting a lot of comments. Whoever you are, Dave, thank you. And I just want, you know, share, subscribe, get some more subscribers for my page, because the more subscribers, the more stuff I'll be able to get. The more subscribers, the bigger prizes I'll be able to, you know, bigger pieces of bling, etc, etc. Because you know, I'm still new to this. It gets me from alarm. New thing. So yeah, Valentine's tomorrow. What y'all doing? What y'all getting your girlfriends? Anything? Anyone getting bling? So let's go through this again. I'm zooming in. You've got nice detail. It's got the jewelers. Nice. And then you've got the stamps. I like it. You can tell how it's pretty big because obviously my hands are massive. So There you go. That's us. And next I'm going to showcase a diamond pendant for a boy or a girl, maybe a little girl. It's not really my cup of tea, but it's nice. I'm going to showcase that right after this. So stay tuned and look out for the next video. Can you hear that buzzing in the background? Sorry, it's my phone on silent. It's like I can't get away from anything, you know. So there we are. They have the lovely star pendant. I'm zooming. Star pendant video. So yeah. So now I'm gonna make a coffee. Have 2 blaze. Get me, fam. Get me. And I'll be right back. So, diamond pendant, star. You know what's a bit? You know what I might do actually? I might start putting music on it background. What do you think? Cause it's a bit dull here right now. What wrong way? What? Whoa, whoa! I just could go out slow like a film. Dun, 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 dun. Yo. So don't forget, yeah. Watch us on Bling. Share, subscribe. It's your boy Paul. You know how we do. Smoking that. It gets me. Yeah. I'm getting low on stuff now. I actually need more stuff to do. So come on, man. Why is everyone so tight? Let me promote you. So this is from a company called Ice Jewels from China. Google it. Google it. I'm sure you'll find it. An iced out star. So it's your boy Paul. Don't forget, stay tuned for the next video. Until next time, word. We out. Yo, that thing's blinging out my eyeball, fam. Blinging out my eyeball. Boom. Diamond pendant. Watches and bling. You know it's like first. Holla. It's your boy Paul.